guys have a monster that you think would be interesting for chapter 3, please comment down below. Yeah, don't make too much sound or it'll come. And again, we check in the rooms. Like, there's a lever in there, go grab it. Somebody's going downstairs. No! Ah! Okay, fine. What if 2 of us stay up here, 2 of us go down there? I'm going with you because we're doing this way. You're going with me, Lex. Oh, then it's me and Rob. Okay. Oh, I guess we'll all go down. What? How do we know it's down there? It might be up here. Ah! What is that? Lex, run! He's faster than the one from before. He'll come upstairs.
Did he open doors?
Yes. He chased me up here before. He knows how to get upstairs.
Too bad you didn't get me that kitchen.
Guys! He's upstairs, and he's bigger than us. Okay, I'm dead. Wait, he's that close? Me and Lex are gonna die. Lexi's faster than us. He can. You have to hide so we won't see you through the door. Yeah, come over here. No. You just can't let him see you.
So, can you heal him?
And if you run, he comes upstairs. So he can hear you running. He can also open doors and come in. That's why some of the doors. Somebody has to check outside the door. I died last time. You opened it. Is he there? I have to see if he's really there because we could be hearing him walk around downstairs because he's loud. And then there's the other thing too. There's 2. So there's the cow thing and there's that one. The cow thing makes squishing noises and that one makes foam noises. Okay, fine, I'll check that. He's not out. Come on. Let's go. We have to go find him. Okay, he went back downstairs. It's safe. I saw him go down. We have to go downstairs at some point. Well, if we found all the switches downstairs, we have to go downstairs and get them. Both the monsters are downstairs, probably. Well, too bad, Lex. I have food. I'm gonna split it into 4. It's not. Somebody doesn't need food. Oh. No, I don't have any food at all. We need to go downstairs. Everything You're the only one who hasn't checked, so go down. Rock?
I saw it the first time.
I didn't.
Oh, I'm sorry.
They're probably both downstairs. Okay, I don't see it. We should be able to go. We see me. You see him? Go in. Get it. You were too. Get it. He's gonna hear us. He can hear us from the Okay, let's just go somewhere else. I'm not. It's the way the doors and the stairs are. I hear him. I hear him walking. But there's nothing left to do upstairs unless we have to run or hide from something. Wait, everyone let me outside!
Crouch is an easy way to get in here.
I'm hiding at the stairs.
Okay, guys, don't worry, I'll be safe. That's the only thing I don't
You're squishing noises. I don't see him. Maybe we should go. Speak around the corner though to make sure he's not there. Somebody go get Lex. No, he's not.
Just come downstairs.
Why? He might be. He could come up. They could both come up the stairs and down whenever they want. Oh, he knows. He's right away from where he just killed me. I don't want to run if I don't have to though, because they'll hear me and they'll come.
This is terrifying.
He's over there.
Are you guys in the basement?
He's in the basement. I'm in the basement. I don't know if I should walk across though. 'Cause I don't know where the big brown thing is.
It's just
I don't see anything.
I just know that he's in here. I found the brown thing. I'm trying to escape Mr. Brown thing. Ah! Help, 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 help. Help, help, help. He's upstairs now. Ah. No, there's one downstairs. Lex, let me in, please. Lex.
No!
Ah.
I am not having you kill me!
Yes!
I'm gonna focus on quick.
Oh gosh. Ah! Ah! I ran into both of them. Oh. It's scarier now. Yeah. The skeleton's name is correct. I'm coming to get you. Ah! Okay. Yeah, if you're too loud, he's gonna come through the
Oh shit!
I'm gonna go out so that if he comes, he's not gonna kill everybody. You guys just left me for him. I don't see him out here. I'm also running now, and I'm probably attracting them. I forgot that I should only run when they're so after me. I don't see them. You guys can come out. That's not him. Guys, you can come out. They're not here. They're over there somewhere. Or upstairs. Queen, I heard something.
Couch. They open the door. Couch.
I have to make them make actual talking sounds. No, I think it'd make it scarier. Somebody has to open the door and check. I already did. One of you guys are doing it. Okay, somebody has to go. No. No. Why would you do that? They might have heard me now. No, I did before. They're not in the hallway. You go.
Hey, volunteers tribute, sir. Come on.
No.
You go.
No, Shadow. You're the bait. Stop. Shadow, but you're the bait.
You're the bait. Go. Go.
Stop.
Go.
Stop it.
Okay.
No. Right now.
Shadow's supposed to be the bait.
You be the bait.
No, you're the bait.
You be it.
You're the bait. I'm turning you into Foxy.
Everyone, you go out.
I'm not turning you into Foxy.
No, go in the hallway. I already did. You go in the hallway. Go in the
I'll
hallway.
turn you into.
Peek around the two corners.
Shadow, I'll turn you into Bob.
Come on, let's all go. Why are you running?
I'll turn you
They
into
probably
Bob.
heard you now.
I'll turn you into Bob the tomato. Shadow.
They're not in this hallway.
Shadow, thanks for being the bait.
Okay, they're not. I don't think they're down here.
Okay, get in here, Shadow.
I checked over there. I don't think they're in here. I don't think they're down here right now. Don't let him in here. Don't let him in.
Wow.
He's so scary. Ah, he's outside the door. Ah! I don't know. Oh my gosh.
Help me.
Go in a room.
I can't, he's fast.
Which
He's
one?
so fast, he's hitting me.
The brown one?
Yes.
Could you speed?
I'm beating him. Don't get me.
What? Okay, I'm dead.
I would rather be in the first one than that one.
Anybody who's on the first one, fly over to the second one and click on your bed. When you die, you'll respawn on the roof. Okay.
I'm
First,
gonna use my heel skeleton.
you hear skeleton noises or squishing noises.
I'm
Don't come
not
out.
saying the heel skeleton.
No, let me in, Rock.
I'm gonna stay in this room forever.
Let me in.
I'm
I mean,
downstairs.
you're
Well,
downstairs?
I'm never going upstairs ever again. You tricked me,
No, I didn't.
Ted.
I'm dead now. Help. Evergreen, do something. He's gonna kill me.
You did trick me, Jonah. You said that he wasn't downstairs, and he was actually downstairs. I
I can
actually
see him.
I should have.
Oh. How fast is it? Yeah. He chased me up here.
Anybody outside?
Wait, no, come out. I'm leading him over here. Come out of the room now. He's in the middle. Come out. He's not. Come on. Come
I
on.
think it just came up the stairs.
Make sure he's not too close to the door. Yeah, you guys can come out. We have to run downstairs. The other door. Come on. Don't care if he hears us running. Just hide. You have to go and hide.
Jonah, why? No, yeah.
Close.
I'm just gonna get far away from it for it will never kill me. Okay, guys, couch for now you don't jinx soda.
What?
Do you know that?
Does soda attract them or something?
Yeah, if we don't.
I see the brown thing.
I've eaten my food. I've eaten all my food.
No, he's coming.
If he hears you chewing, he comes and
Crouch and look out. They don't come and get you if you're crouching. If you're out in the middle of the hallway, they will. Ow.
Wait, who's now chewing?
If you're crouching, they will. I don't know where he went.
Shadow, you know you don't chew.
Why? Somebody else go
I'm
out.
eating my gum and he came to kill me.
Go out, Evergreen.
Hey, I've done enough. I came down here by myself.
Mm.
Okay,
Skelly Boy was down here.
I know.
Okay, somebody has to go out and look around. Lex, you're the only one who hasn't, so you go do
I knew it.
it. But doesn't mean he's like right outside the door. He could be like on the other side of the hallway.
That's a couch. The cookie didn't cook me.
See, he's not out here. Somebody else go now. Okay, we're all going out. Okay. Crouch. Evergreen. I'll see him. Doors are just right here. Let's go put one of the levers on the. What? Why would life be? No, they'll get you still. You could just hide. Okay, I gotta retreat because he might have heard that. You hear him coming? Oh, where he is. Okay, I got one lever on the door. We need two more. We need two more levers to unlock both of the doors. He is hiding upstairs. Come on. But I don't see him. If we don't see him, we can go. There's also a lever on the ceiling somewhere. Wait, there's a lever in here. Ah, but I have the lever. Why? I'm running even though he might hear me. I accept to die. Yeah. I'm just kidding. I'm coming back in. I put the lever. We only need one more to unlock the final door.
I just use your fish for you to be the pig.
We need to unlock one more of the doors.
Can they sniff you or something?
No, they just hear you really well. I increased the
So they hear you
self-awareness
doing
thing.
this. They'll come for you.
See, even if Evergreen just places this block, they could track where you are. You hear all the walking? Oh. Okay. We only need one more lever. It's either upstairs or on the ceiling. I'm gonna peek out.
Still, you can't open the door.
They're not in the hallway right here. I know, they're not there. Somebody else go out. What? Ah! No. No, we have to go out into the hallway.
No, I am not dying. Shadow, you're the pig. I'm Daniel.
Why'd you run? Do you think there might be a reason why I didn't go to your birthday party? Yeah, I found!
Your big old head's in the way.
Ah! He came after me instead. But I have to increase your speed. Ah!
He's in the room. Don't open it. It's gonna come out.
He can open it anyway.
Hide behind this.
There's no point. Oh. See, he left. He lost interest. Okay, there's one more lever. He's waiting there now. Now somebody has to go out to lure him away. Now I have full health. You go. You go. Lex? Lex, you're using me as bait. You go. Okay, fine, Lex. Fine, Lex. Look out the door. Lex, look through the door. Just peek. Peek out there. You can't open the door while crouched. You didn't open it. Open it. Go and open it. Get out. It is. Okay, fine. I'm gonna run out and I'm gonna lure it away.
I will hit you with avocado shell. I will. I will hit the monster with avocado.
I found the one on the ceiling.
I
don't know. I haven't seen that big white one. I haven't seen the skeleton. Guys, I have the final lever. Come to the door. Rock, you have to find your way downstairs.
Come on,
wait.
man. Hurry up.
Or we should go get him though. If he's upstairs, okay, let's go get him. Keep it close. Let's go get Rock. No, I'm not leaving Rock behind. I'm going to get him. Oh, I see cowboy. No, this one's easier to outrun than that one. stabbing her. Wait. Mama, I'm still up here with you. As I'm luring it away, you can run downstairs. They're both after me. Go. Go while you can. I know, but they're like, I'm gonna try to lure them both away from you,
Yes,
though.
Shadow. Funny, you're acting like the bait.
You should be the bait, Lex.
You big head man!
Okay, Rock, I think you could go now. I'm luring them into a dead end.
Shadow.
Go now. Go, they're gonna kill me, go.
Oh, yeah, Lex of fatness.
Okay, I'm going down.
Oh, yeah.
I'm heading downstairs.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Krabs.
Rock, it's safe to go. Oh, he's back. Okay. It was safe for you to go before.
That's not coming in.
Okay, Rock, you have to go when I tell you to go. Please go downstairs. Yes, please go downstairs now. Please go downstairs. The stairs. Kill me, please. Okay, go down. He's smiling. Ah! Go, get out. Get out of the house. They heard me. They're coming. Get out of the house, Kai. Kai, come out of the room. They're coming. I hear them coming. Okay, get out and then close the door so they won't come after us. Was that harder than the first map? Ah! Get out! Wait, everybody gets one punch.
Lex, why do you even want me?
Three. Punch me, Evergreen. Thank you. Wait, no, just once. Die.
Right, that's skeleton.
Oh.
The chickens.
Oh my gosh! Do you see them? Are you looking at? Oh wait, now that we beat the game, I'm gonna let you guys fly in there and see and let you guys actually look at the skeleton thing. 'Cause you never got to really look at it safely. Yeah, it's right here. I gave it a sword.
Where's its arms?
It doesn't have any. Yeah. No, it's always smiling. You're welcome. Let's go outside this house. Lex, would you play Chapter